Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a demonstration of my new Oyster Pro 1200 blender, just so you guys can have a look at it, see how it performs. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be making a smoothie because that is one of the main reasons I bought this blender in the first place. So I'm gonna be doing a smoothie and to see the consistency, see how it performs, see how it breaks down all of my fruits. Okay. Now, at my pitcher here, I'm going to be putting in my favorite fruits. I've already have them cut up and ready to go. So I'm going to be putting in apples. I have pears. I have strawberries, bananas, and I also have mangoes. So it's going to be pears, apples, bananas, strawberries, and mangoes in this mix I'm making here. So those are my favorites. So that's what I'm using. And I fill it up pretty high. It's pretty high in there. Now what it suggests when you put your fruits and vegetables, whatever you're blending in here, it suggests that when you fill it up with your water, that when your fruits and vegetables start to float, if you guys can see that, start to float in the water, that's the perfect level. So that's the level I'm going to be using, okay? Right here. All right. Put my lid on. Okay, I gotta line this up just right here. And let me get this a little closer. In fact, I'll zoom in a little bit because I don't think you guys can see the knob here. Still a little off. The lighting's kind of bad, so. But it has a preset right here for smoothies. Okay, so I got it turned on, and I'm gonna just hit the preset for smoothies and let it go through its little phase, see what it does. Okay. Alright guys, I let it go through the preset settings that it's already in the system, and now got my cup out. Let's see what the consistency is. It pours in real smooth. You guys can see, shaking it around here, it pours in really smooth. So I don't see a bunch of chunks or anything. So it blended it up pretty good. Now get me a taste. Yep, guys, there's no chunks. It blended up all the apples, pears, mangoes, banana, and strawberries. It's a smooth consistency. But it could be a little smoother. But for this blender, I believe that's pretty good. You know, this is not one of those custom blenders for smoothie, but it blended this pretty smooth. Like, I like the consistency. It's not thick, you know, it's kind of in the middle. It's not thick, it got a smooth consistency, but it still has a little bit of the fiber. There's still a little bit of, you can still feel a little bit of fiber when you drink it, but it's not an industrial smoothie maker. But this is a great consistency. I love this. This is a great consistency. It blended everything up. You know, there's not large chunks. It's pretty smooth. So if anyone's like, you know, wanna, for their first blender, if they never had a blender, or if their blender doesn't make their smoothies, you know, this consistency here, or if your blender loses the big chunks in it, I would recommend this Oster. It's the Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender. That's the model. Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender. And this is the one that has a food processor with it. I have not used the food processor yet. The main reason I got it was for the smoothies, so that's what I'm showing you guys today. But I would recommend this if you guys are looking for a intro blender to make your smoothies. I would recommend this one. You know, it's a reasonable price, does a good job blending, you know, and I also like it because it has the metal shaft right here. Let me see if I can get a closer shot at this. This metal shaft right here is solid metal. This is not plastic. Okay, so you won't have to worry about it breaking off while you're making your smoothie. So that's also another good thing about that. That's why I got this model. Plus all the presets that it has on here. Okay. So that's it, guys. If you want an intro blender to make your smoothies, you're just starting out to make smoothies, I would recommend this Oster Pro 1200 series, okay? And I'm thanking you guys again. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope it's helpful to you. All right. I'll see you guys next video.